Exposed. How to increase your penis size naturally without surgery, pills, suction devices or crazy contraptions. 15,600 plus men have used this two-step system to get huge growth, leading to a better sex life, more confidence and more women. The Penis Enlargement Bible is your guide to the most effective natural penis growth techniques on the planet. If you want to learn how to get massive growth using only your hands and some readily available natural supplements, then go on. Hello and welcome. I want to start off by telling you how I discovered these amazing techniques, so you can understand the frustration I had with all the crap on the internet. I went through years of blowing cash. I pissed it away, not on holidays or a new TV. I blew it on get a bigger you-know-what products. Over and over again, I bought one scam after another. I was like a prize fighter getting punched hard, but being too stupid to hit the deck. Slap. No growth. Smack. Money wasted. Slam. As small as I always was, I felt lost. I was sick of being had by these offers that were too good to be true. I decided to carve my own path. The last few years of my life have been dedicated to figuring out how to grow the right way. Forget about expensive products that don't work, such as pumps, weights, yikes, and pills. The methods I developed are producing real results, as reported by the over 15,600 men who have purchased the Bible. After I developed and refined these methods, I made a promise to help every man who wants to get bigger, to show them how to grow. That's why I'm here, and that's why you're here. We're at the start of an exciting journey. Stick with it and the results are life-changing. I'm going to reveal all my secrets, every single one, and you are going to get bigger, a lot bigger. I am going to teach you the most effective ways to increase the size of your penis by 2-4 in length, giving you the size and confidence you have always wanted. Not only am I going to help you get bigger, but I'm going to give you the power to take a super lucky woman to the bedroom and to make her orgasm again and again and again. Smile, you'll be a superstar lover in 2 months. You'll be Mr. Multiple Orgasm, Duke of delivering incredible sex, King of the bedroom. If you follow my system, you'll be a love machine with a big penis in virtually no time at all. I have documented my entire penis enlargement journey in a 94-page ebook that I call The Penis Enlargement Bible. Not to be sacrilegious, but my Bible might just have more of an impact on your life than the good book ever did. With the help of my Bible and the accessory book, The Penis Exercise Guide, I am going to walk you through my two-step method to grow between 2 and 4 inches in length and up to 1 inch in girth within just 2 short months. The techniques I am going to teach you are simple but effective. You can achieve big growth from the comfort of your own home using only your hands and some simple natural supplements, which will effectively restart the same growth you experienced during puberty. The techniques outlined in my system have been used by over 5,000 men around the world, giving them life-changing results that are easy to achieve. You can experience the same growth and the same results. Starting today, you will not find this program anywhere else online. It was created exclusively by me using proprietary techniques that have been tested and refined. I don't like liars. Don't be fooled like I was. I hate liars in all walks of life. But filmmakers in this industry make my blood boil. I've wasted so much money on devices, cocktails of things, pills, extenders, you name it. I've tried it. The result? No growth. They duped me. They may have duped you too. I wasted a load of money, never got a cent back. But how did they dupe me? They told me things that were impossible. In 4 weeks you can have as many inches of growth. Lie. Photoshopped photos. Lie. Scammy tales of pills and something else. Lie. They are totally full of you know what. I now know 4 inches in 4 weeks is impossible. I've grown to 9.1 inches since using my techniques. I want to help guys. That's why I do this. I want to turn underdogs like I was into the best men they can be. I want you to be the best man you can be. I want guys like you and me to grow. I want you to grow too. But here's the thing. Growth takes time, but it will happen. Some people just get it. Growth takes time. My system makes biological changes which cause growth again. It's the exact same process as what happened during puberty. 100% the same, and that's why it works. I'm very honest about how long it takes. Expect it to take anywhere between 5 and 8 weeks to see real growth. 2 months is the average. 2 months is an age. You may think, 2 months will be over in the blink of an eye. Ask any of my clients, they've had incredible success. Maybe you'll spend money on quicker methods, fake methods, methods that will never, in your whole life, cause growth. So, those people who can't wait 2 short months for growth should do something now, greater than leave. Yep, I said it. I can't help you if you just don't get it. But, sadly, you'll probably never grow either. I hope I'm wrong, but I fear you'll always be the underdog. I have helped over 15,600 men see real results without the use of expensive pills, penis weights, stupid pumps or risky surgery. Natural enlargement is possible and you can start today. I am so confident in my techniques that I'm offering a 60-day risk-free, 100% money-back guarantee. Forget about photoshopped pics that have been tampered with. I'm not a fool and I'm certainly not taking you for a fool. I insist on video and audio testimonials so you experience the results with your own eyes and ears. Hell, the only way you'll see it more clearly is when you see growth on yourself. Most don't want to share proof. This is an embarrassing problem. I get that, but some want to share. They want to share their experiences. They want to share their growth, and maybe some want to gloat a little bit because it's the first time in their lives that they have something to gloat about. The nuts and bolts of penis enlargement. You may or may not know that your penis is made up of 3 chambers or columns of tissue. The 2 large chambers that run along the bottom are called the corpora spongiasis, which make up the underside of the penis, and the glans. The corpora cavernosa are 2 chambers of tissue which are located next to each other on the top part of the penis. An erection is where the large chambers in your penis fill with blood, which lead to rapid expansion. The size of your penis is dictated by how much blood the 2 chambers can hold. To enlarge your penis, there is one thing that we must achieve: to get these chambers to take more blood. The more blood they take, the bigger your penis becomes. The 2-step method of the Penis Enlargement Bible works on a principle where biochemicals react with receptors in the penis which were put there so that during puberty your penis would grow. The second step is making the enlargement happen faster by using exercises. Growth happens and your penis can take more blood, and the result is a bigger, thicker and more powerful penis. Our competitors claim that you can grow with exercises alone. That's a lie. There is another vital component missing from many of the other so-called penis enlargement systems out there. Exercising alone can do far more damage than good. Perhaps you have tried exercises before and have seen little or no results. That's because your body has not been ready to repair itself. What the Penis Enlargement Bible offers is a way for your body to start penis regrowth. Like how your penis grew during puberty, the penis exercises included within are supplementary and will help with your growth immensely. The main aim of the Penis Enlargement Bible is to get as much nutrient-rich blood and oxygen into your penis as possible. This nutrient-rich blood will support the cells in your penis to expand and repair as quickly as possible. And just like during puberty, new cells will be created. The Penis Enlargement Bible will not only increase the size of your penis, but improve your sexual performance and stamina, giving you rock-hard erections that last. Here are some scary facts for you. The average penis length is 6.5 inches. Are you that size? If it is, are you happy being average? 82% of women say they wish their partner had a bigger penis, proving size really does matter. 96.3% of women who are in a relationship with a man they describe as the best lover I've ever had never consider cheating on the partner. 83% of women consider that sex is the main reason for cheating on their spouse. On average, a man ejaculates 2-3 minutes after entering his partner. It takes a woman on average 12-14 minutes to orgasm. Over 46% of women in America have cheated on a partner who they claimed to love. Over 96% of women admit to having faked an orgasm. Does that make you uncomfortable? Unless you're 100% certain she's reaching orgasm, it should make you worried. Impotence and erectile dysfunction affects 76% of men in their lifetime. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with our risk-free 100% money-back 60-day refund policy. If you've ever felt that having a small penis makes you feel like less of a man, then you need to give my system a try. We have 60-day money-back guarantee. Simply request a refund for any reason within 60 days of purchase and you get your money back. You have nothing to lose and only inches to gain. I have even more to offer you if you act now.